Sage here for Kalkine Media. Please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to be notified of the latest videos. Today's topic, we're covering PEXA, BlueBet, NexGen and 4 others to list on the ASX this week. How to invest in these stocks. The Australian initial public offering IPO market is witnessing a frenzied rush by companies to go public, with some big names like PEXA, Australian Rare Earths, 29 Metals, BlueBet Holdings, NexGen Energy and Tamboran Resources likely to list their shares on the Australian Securities Exchange this week. The month of July is going to be action-packed for the IPO market, as 32 companies are expected to list their shares on the ASX as per the information available on the exchange. And here is the list of public offerings that are set to open this week. PEXA Group, Property Exchange Australia. PEXA, an online property settlements firm, is expected to list its shares on the ASX July 1st. The company has raised 1.18 billion Australian dollars via an IPO at an offer price of $17.13 Australian. This is touted to be Australia's biggest IPO of the year, crossing KKR-backed non-bank lender Pepper Money's $500.1 million Australian dollar bid. And as per the latest update, Link Group, the largest shareholder in PEXA, will hold 42.8% stake in the digital property settlement platform at the conclusion of the IPO. Link will also receive around cash proceeds worth 180 million Australian dollars, which will be used to pare debts to make balance sheets stronger and more flexible. Currently, Link holds a 44.6% stake in the company, while Morgan Stanley Infrastructure Partners and Commonwealth Bank of Australia own 40% and 15.3% respectively. The IPO will see Link retaining its majority stake in the company, while Morgan Stanley Infrastructure Partners will sell its entire share. And meanwhile, CBA will hike its stake to 17.4% from the existing 15.3% as per the report. Australian Rare Earths Mining and Exploration Company. Australian Rare Earths is expected to commence trading domestic bourses on July 1st under the ticker name AR3. The Rare Earths Exploration and Development firm had proposed to raise 12 million Australian dollars at 30 cents per share to become one of the few publicly listed pure-play ionic clay rare earth element companies. The company will join the likes of Lynas Rare Earths Limited, Ionic Rare Earths Limited and Australia Strategic Materials Limited. BlueBet Holdings. BlueBet, an upstart Australian sportsbook operator, is expected to make stock market debut on July 2. The company had looked to raise $80 million at an offer price of 1.14 Australian dollars or $1.14 Australian a share in its IPO. Ord Minnett Limited, the Morgans corporate, were hired as underwriters and joint-led managers to the IPO. Founded in 2015, the company captures 1.5% of the Aussie sports wagering market. NexGen Energy Uranium Explorer. NexGen Energy has filed a prospectus for admission to the ASX as a foreign exempt listing on July 2nd under the code NXG. The company, which is already listed on the US and Canada stock exchanges, had proposed to raise 2.24 million Australian dollars by issuing its shares as the CHESS Depository Instruments or CDIs. NexGen is a British Columbia corporation with a focus on the uranium-rich Athabasca Basin in northern Saskatchewan and Alberta, where it owns over 2,090 square kilometres of property. Tamboran Resources. Australian oil and gas company Tamboran Resources is set to make the debut on the ASX July 2nd as well under the code TBN. The company had looked to raise 66 million Australian dollars at 40 cents apiece, which is touted to be the country's biggest oil and gas float in a decade. The company intends to use capital proceeds to drill 3 wells, including 2 with Santos, in 2 assets over the next 12 months. And 29Metals Limited, Australia-based copper miner 29Metals, is set to commence trading on the ASX on July 2 under the ticker symbol 29M. And joining the likes of BHP Group, Rio Tinto, the mineral exploration company, has proposed to raise 900 million Australian dollars via an IPO, which is expected to be one of the largest mining IPOs in more than a decade. And the IPO, which closed for subscription on June 21st, was initially expected to be listed on 23rd June, but it was delayed due to some unknown reasons. And Morgan Stanley, Credit Suisse and Macquarie Capital are jointly managing the IPO. How to take part in an IPO. When a private company wants to go public to list its share on a stock exchange, it offers investors a chance to invest in the company for the first time. And for many investors, an IPO provides with an opportunity to own shares of a growing business. Post-listing, investors can buy the company's shares online with the help of brokers, while individuals who have knowledge about stock trading can buy shares themselves. And thanks for joining us on The Report. If you like the information, please like, share and comment on the video below, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Press the bell icon to be notified of the latest videos. And for more information and regular updates, please head to the website kalkinemedia.com. And this is Sage here for Kalkine Media.